Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very gorgeous and super pretty Friendship Day tag book, and this is very easy to create. These all flowers are handmade, and inside this you will get 5 different styles of sentiment or quotes or messages, and you can add photographs on left side of the each panel. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, liquid glue, scissor, card ring, black color marker, quilling tool, pattern paper, black sheet and hole punch machine. First I am taking this black sheet which measures 6 by 14 centimeters, and this width is 2.5 inches approx, which is 6 centimeters, and I am adding one pattern paper on top of this, which is little smaller than this black base. Then from back side I am cutting a tag shape using my scissors. Like this. Now I'm taking my hole punch machine and punching in the center top of the tag like this. You can do this process if you have this tag punch which is having 2 inches, 2.5 inches and 1.5 inches slots. So in my case I am taking one 2.5 inches sheet again and just punching it. It will make your work easy, but you don't need to buy it exactly. You can create by your own hands just like I have shown you earlier. In the same way I have created total 5 tags. Now on the back side also I am adding one pattern paper. So first I am punching it through my tag punch, and then I will connect it on the back side of my tag. In the same way I have added pattern paper on both sides of each tag. So these are done. Now I am taking the front page. For this I am taking these 2 pattern paper tags and connecting these 2 with each other to create the front page of our tag book. Like this. So this is done. Now I will decorate my front part. For the decoration I am making some quilling flowers. For this I am taking half strip of medium blue and half strip of light blue color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Now I am joining total 7 petals and adding half cut pearl in the center. So this is done. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of purple and half strip of lemon yellow color and making one tight leaf shape. Then I will join 5 petals and half cut pearl in the center. So flowers are ready. In the same way I have created some leaves. These are made using half strip of sap green color. These are simply bended leaves and some scrolls using light green and dark green colors. And these are paper flowers which I have made using this 6 petal flower punch. All 3 tutorial links are given in description box, you can check there. Now take back your front page and I will start decorating it. I have added this circle cover on the top. I have these rings. These are very easy to attach. I will show you. Just take your one of the tag, add little glue and connect it like this. Just you need to cut one circle and punch it in the center using hole punch. In the same way you can make in hexagon shape. So this is just like that. Now I am taking the sentiment on which I have written friends forever and adding these cardboard pieces on back side to give little height. Then I am adding my flowers decoration. In the center I am adding one die cut butterfly. So the decoration is done. Now take back your all 5 tags. I have added some lines on each tag so that I can write messages. For the writing purpose I am taking my black color calligraphy pen. This is a 1.0 number. So my first message is, best friends are hard to find, because the very best one is already mine. Now my next sentiment is, our friendship isn't a big thing, it's a million little things. Then the next one, you will always have a special place in my heart. Then the fourth one, making 100 friends is not a miracle. The miracle is to make a single friend who will stand by your side. And the last one, we are best friends. Always remember that. If you fall, I will pick you up after I finish laughing. By mistake, I have written here fail, but actually it is fall. So just remember when you will write it. So all tags are done. Now I'm combining all together and adding my front page on this. Then using the card ring, I'm joining all together. So this is done. Now I'm taking this purple and green color satin ribbon and just decorating the ring by making some knots. Like this. So the beautiful Friendship Day tag book is ready. I am sure you will make this for your friend. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.